Hello, good day everyone. I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more content, beauty, home fragrance, body care. However, this video, I am unboxing the new-ish HP Envy laptop. So, I had to get a new laptop. The reason I chose the HP Envy is because, I mean, I love Apple. I have an iPhone, but for what I do, I have several businesses. So for what I do, the HPs work just fine for me. You know, for a lot of the office software and things like that, Microsoft. I actually have a work tablet. I have another laptop. So I just, for the value, I like the HP Envy. I got the 17-inch screen, touchscreen. Here's the box. And did I show my address? No, I didn't show my address. But so here's the label. Okay, so this is equipped with the nvidia Geforce Graphics. I guess it's a gaming laptop, so I don't know if I really need that software. I have a brother. I have 4 brothers. I have a brother that's a gamer, Derek Legend, and he has the #1 jury. Jury is a character in Street Fighter in the world on Xbox because it's different. So I've gone to tournaments, well, used to go to his tournaments and things like that before the pandemic. But you know, I used to be pretty cold-blooded with this character Eddie in Tekken. Tekken is a fighting game, and I used to really kick some butt whenever I used Eddie. But in case I want to, I don't know, upload me streaming in a battle, I don't know why I would need that software, but it's a 17-inch screen, 17.3. I don't know a lot about computers, you guys, but it says Optane memory, 512 gigabytes, the touch screen, multi-touch enabled, it's 12 gigabytes, and Bang and Olufsen and fingerprint reader. Yeah, so you can, this is what it looks like. I got it in silver. Let me just take this off here. I got it in silver. And look, I really like the new HP label. Look at how they did the HP. It's like slashes. Very cool. So I got the natural silver. And this is what this looks like. The screen is very flat, but it's got rounded off corners. Very big, because I currently have a 17-inch screen and I just got used to that. But this thing is so heavy on my lap. It's very heavy. It's hard to move around, but I just like the big screen. But it's very thin. See that? It's very, very thin, and I like that. And it's cold to the touch, so it's metallic material. And the keyboard lights up. I love that. It's like this beautiful,
Need an assistive
like,
screen reader.
LED
Press the
white.
Windows, Control, and Enter
It's,
keys at the same time.
Where instead of putting in a password, you can do your fingerprint. I don't know if I'll do that or not. I don't know if I want HP to have my fingerprint. I just don't know. I may, if it's convenient. But touchscreen. It's got the touchpad here, so you don't need a mouse, even though I am old school. I have a mouse. I definitely will be using it. I love my mouse. I love my mouse so much. So, this, I don't know if I told you, I paid $1,249 plus tax. I got it from Best Buy, actually. And let me see if there's anything. Okay, it says internal microphones, camera. The camera isn't bad. Wireless antenna, you know, fingerprint reader, touchpad, Windows key, camera, privacy key. So I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, I love HPs. They're compatible with a lot of office software that I need for my businesses. So I'm happy right now. So please comment. Let me know, what you think about the HP Envy, because you may know more about laptops than I do. Did I even get a good deal? I don't know. Did I get a good deal, guys? I hope so. Please comment. I love to know that you guys stopped by my channel, and remember to like and subscribe. I know this video was very impromptu. Like, I just decided to go ahead and film it. I'm very happy right now. So, as always, you know that I'm praying that you and your families are safe and well. And thank you for spending the last few minutes with me. I appreciate it so much. And stay safe, guys. And I will see you in my next video. I'm going to go set this up now. Bye.